He was in the world, and the world was made through Him. And the world did not know Him. He came to His own, and those who were His own did not receive Him. Hindi siya tinanggap. Tinanggihan siya. Maraming tao ganyan. Hindi natanggap si Jesus. Ngayon, ito po ang isang bagay na paalala ko. Kahit hindi mo siya tanggap, hindi importante sa kanya ngayon yun. Meron siyang nakikita kung bakit willing siyang iwanan ng langit at tiisin ang pagiging tao dahil mahal ka niya. At yung pagmamahal na yun, meron siyang nakikitang kapahamakan na nangyayari sa atin na kailangan tayong maligtas. Nagkakaintindihan tayo? Ito ang sabi niya, balikan natin ng John chapter 3 verse 16. And so that anyone who believes in Him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Yung salitang perish sa Tagalog, kapahamakan. Yung kapahamakan na yun, hindi naiintindihan ng maraming tao yun. Yung kapahamakan na yun, hindi mo kayang isipin yung pait at sakit na mararanasan ng tao kung alam niya lang. Kasi tayo'y nasa dilim. Remember, naalala niyo sabi ng Panginoong Jesucristo, look at this. Sabi gano'n, no? Babalikan ko lang, ha? Sabi gano'n, in Him was life, and the life was the light of men. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness did not comprehend it. Hindi niya maintindihan. Tayong lahat na ipanganak sa dilim. Hindi natin naintindihan yung peligro na mangyayari sa atin. Kunyari, hindi mo alam nangyayari, bilang hindi mo pa alam, may bangin pa lang, malalaglag ka. Di ba? Hindi mo alam. Sobrang dilim. And nung may ilaw, hindi ka nakakaintindi kasi you grew up in darkness. You don't understand. Yang kasalanan na yan, hindi nakakatuwa yan, nakakasakit yan. At nakita ng Diyos yung mess na nangyari. Dahil sa kasalanan na ito, we are harmed. We are being destroyed. We are being killed. At alam niyo po ba, hindi natapos yan dyan. Kung alam niyo lang, yung maximum, yung pinakatindi ng dilim na yan, ito sabi, Matthew 25, throw out the worthless slave into the outer darkness. In that place, there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth. Isipin niyo, no? So, kunyari, parang imagine mo yung sarili mo, nasa dilim ka, tapos may bangin, parang, walang tigil for eternity. At alam niyo po bang, yung ibig sabihin niyang outer darkness na yan, sa Matthew 13, pinaliwanag ni Jesus, sabi niya, the Son of Man will send out His angels, papadala niya mga anghel niya, they will gather out of His kingdom all things that offend, lahat ng bumibira sa Kanya, those who practice lawlessness, ano sabi niya? Will cast them into the furnace of fire. Ano sabi niya? They will be wailing and gnashing of teeth. Hindi siya nakakatuwa.